大家好，歡迎收睇今集嘅賽後情書。喺呢集嘅賽後情書開始之前，我想為香港最近發生嘅大火講幾句。喺大埔雲福苑最近發生咗一場史無前例嘅大火，奪去咗無數嘅生命。喺呢一場悲劇發生咗之後，社會各界亦都一呼百應，有錢出錢，有力出力。我哋馬體會都唔例外。我哋個台雖然開咗唔係好耐，但係我哋都決定將我哋一直以嚟所有嘅廣告收益全數捐俾因為救火而死亡嘅消防員何偉豪。我哋喺消防員主任協會嗰度見到可以直接將錢捐俾佢爸爸嘅戶口，雖然金額唔係好多，但亦都係一份心意。我呼籲各位睇到呢條片嘅各位朋友，如果有閒錢嘅話，都可以盡一點心意。天災無情，人間有愛，希望死者安息，所有受災嘅人都可以重新盡快咁樣重回正軌生活。好，咁正式開始今集嘅賽後情書。董明朗敗走香港，格倫島事隔20年再攻陷日本杯。喺今個星期日嘅賽事，馬會就因應呢場火災取消晒所有贊助，選擇閉門作賽。頭馬馬主亦都唔可以喺凱旋門影頭馬相。今日嘅所有收益都會捐俾所有受災嘅災民。咁 which 呢個做法係非常之正確。馬會作為香港最大嘅非牟利機構，咁樣做絕對有佢嘅號召力。咁馬會就 total 合共捐咗大概1億7千萬左右，亦都係為呢一場無情嘅火災出咗好大嘅一分力。咁喺呢一度都要俾翻一個 respect 馬會嘅。先講董明朗，咁今日亦都係董明朗喺香港嘅最後一日賽事。呢位前南非冠軍騎師喺香港生涯就暫告一段落。上季嘅佢都仲有12 win， 但係今季嘅佢因為支持度急轉直下嘅原因，好多時一日都係得2-3隻馬俾佢。好遺憾地係冇送行馬噶。今個賽季開始咗咁耐，都淨係得61場出賽。雖然佢就冇馬贏，但係都有6個亞軍、5個季軍。而佢喺香港生涯最高光嘅時刻，就一定係騎合夥奔馳爆冷贏3級賽。相信好多馬迷都依然歷歷在目。好多人話香港係騎師嘅福地，獎金高，跑得少。但係好多時候，你哋只會見到某幾個騎師風光嘅一面。但有好多下游嘅騎師都依然苦苦掙扎，姑勿論佢哋騎功係點樣都好，始終唔係咁多騎師支持度都好似潘頓、布文嗰啲咁多，好多騎師都只可以黯然咁樣離開香港，好似賀銘年或者之前嘅李敬國，我哋遲啲都會開一條片講下一啲黯然離開咗香港嘅騎師。咁無論點都好，都希望呢啲騎師往後嘅騎師生涯都可以一帆風順。再講格倫島。作為全球評分最高嘅頂級賽區，咁格倫島係選擇咗喺星期日跑呢場日本杯，而放棄嚟香港跑香港杯嘅。咁無他嘅，不論係一級賽嘅排名，定係頭馬獎金，都係遠高於香港杯。幕後決定跑日本杯喺而家睇嚟，亦都係一個明智之舉。作為唯一一匹嘅外隊參戰馬，佢要面對嘅都係一啲日本嘅頂級長途好手，好似秋季天皇賞嘅蒙面舞會。抑或係日本打比冠軍嘅北十字星，仲有喺杜拜司馬經典賽曾經擊敗過佢嘅野田芬惠等等，全部都係一等一嘅日本長途好手。而今次單獨作賽嘅格倫島，除咗要克服遠征嘅環境之外，仲要提防日本隊打對制，因為大家都知日本隊就係最中意打對制賽嘅。咁題外話啦，一開閘嘅時候啊，川田成隻地球種咧，一出閘咧就已經跌咗落嚟。咁其實真係好笑嘅，一出閘已經失去咗平衡。咁講翻正題啦，咁格倫島喺巴米高跨下咧就選擇留前鬥後嘅，沿途就走住啲2、3疊嘅生位，寧願蝕多少少腳程，都好過塞喺入邊俾日本隊打對制 block 晒喺入邊咁樣。咁佢直路就選擇拉出去外面衝。直路一度以為李慕華隻蒙面舞會走甩咗噶啦，但係格倫島又揮 back 翻上嚟，最後兩隻馬拍住鬥衝過終點，可以話係相當之精彩。最後格倫島係一個短馬頭位分出咗勝負，成功打破咗外隊20年不勝嘅紀錄，亦都係以2分20秒03打破咗場地紀錄，稱霸日本，可以話係當之無愧嘅世一。
Sayun Hades leads out from Ho Ho Biscuits, and running third at the moment, Sunrise Earth, then Quadanor, followed by Shin Emperor. Then comes back in the ruck, midfield Cosmo Caranda. Tastiera's settled well, as has Masquerade Ball. It's inside Deep Monster, down on DeSalle. That loose horses still going along with them on the outside of Masquerade Ball. Calandigan back in the last third of the field, but seems to be travelling sweetly. Then down on Beluga, well back in the ruck at the moment, 3 wide is Justin Palace. It's inside Yoho Lake, then Struve, and Brady Vague still at the tail of the field. This one's coming back to them as they get to the 1,000-metre mark, and it still leads out by 8 lengths. And that's Sayun Hades, but is really shortening stride. Running second, Ho Ho Biscuits. Starting to take off Sunrise Earth, and that free runner is on the outside of them. Then comes Cosmo Caranda, followed by Quadanor, who's starting to click up. Then Shin Emperor, Deep Monster, well back Tastiera. Masquerade Ball with work to do. Calandigan's 3 wide going on with down on DeSalle, the inside, down on Beluga. Well back in the run and under pressure at the moment. On the inside is Yoho Lake and Struve, and wider out starting to pick up at the moment Justin Palace. The 400-metre mark. They're shortening stride but running on now. Here comes Quadanor, and Calandigan is joining in. Big strides, Calandigan coming with Masquerade Ball. Masquerade Ball. Calandigan is dead in front, but Masquerade Ball is kicking. Masquerade Ball the inside. Calandigan the outside. Head and head, bobbing to the line. They hit the line, and maybe Calandigan's won it from Masquerade Ball. Down on DeSalle's third.
好可惜嘅一點係佢跑完呢一場，基本就冇可能再嚟香港跑香港杯。冇得睇佢同浪漫勇士同場競技。如果佢嚟香港跑，你哋又覺得佢可唔可以擊敗浪漫勇士？可以留言話俾我知。喺條片最後嘅結尾，再一次向所有受災嘅人士表示哀悼，亦都辛苦晒所有不眠不休工作嘅消防員、義工，向你哋送上最崇高嘅敬意。訂閱、讚好，我哋下期見，拜拜。